This is an introduction to the Week 3 set of Algebradabra tasks. The tasks focus on the notion of variable and should help students develop a better feel for the nature of a linear function by comparing it to a function that turns out to be quadratic. We use a geometric context in the form of two cross shapes, some of whose edge lengths are dependent on a variable u. As the value of u changes, the shape of the crosses changes, but in very different ways, as does their area. A steady change in u produces a steady change in the area of one of the crosses, but a never more rapid change in the area of the other. The use of a geometric context is widespread in algebra textbooks, but often simply as a means of practicing algebraic manipulation, as in this example. Such a task offers little or no meaning to the algebraic symbols. It also provides no rationale for their presence or purpose for their use. Treating the unknown as a variable in our tasks introduces both challenge and intrigue. The crosses look very different and change in very different ways, yet their shapes converge at a particular instance. There is richness too in visualizing the crosses in different ways, as flat shapes or as nets that fold to make boxes. And there is richness too in treating their areas visually, as numbers in an ordered table, and as algebraic expressions. There's a movie that goes with the set of tasks, which brings out the dynamic nature of the variable u. Here are some stills from the movie, and a clip from the movie itself. The teacher's book provides guidance on how the tasks can be pursued in more depth. The teacher's book is available from the Association of Teachers of Mathematics. A cut-down version of the book, without the commentary or guidance, and intended for students, is available from Dexter Graphics.